What's up, YouTube? In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Kali Linux password. So once you get to this screen here, I know you only have a few seconds before it actually boots you into your virtual operating system for Kali Linux. But before it does that, just use one of the arrow keys to move up and down, and then you can actually stop it from booting. And then once you do that, you have two options. You have the Kali GNU Linux, and you have the advanced options for Kali Linux. So what you're going to do is you are going to say, um, you're going to hit E. You're going to highlight Kali GNU Linux, and you're going to hit E, which for edit, obviously. So hit E, and then you're going to get to a page like this. And you're going to go down to where it says Linux slash boot slash VM uh, Linux 6.6.15. You're going to go down there. And then you're going to see this line of code here, but I'm going to show you on top where it says RO quiet splash. So give me 1 second so I can get over there. Okay, perfect. So we're right here. What we're going to do is we are going to change it from RO to RW. And then we're going to, after quiet splash, we're going to add init equals slash bin slash bash. And then after we do that, we're going to hit Control X. And now now we're in this terminal here. And now what we can do is we can actually, give me a second here, bear with me. So now what we can do is we can change the password by typing in pass WD, and then if we have an actual account, I have no account for display here. The only account I use is my own, and I'm not going to change the password of that. But what you would do if you wanted to change a password for a specific user or account, you would type in pass WD, and then after typing pass WD, you would hit space, and then type in the name of whatever that might be, whatever the account name might be, and then you get the same prompt that I'm about to show you here. So I'll hit enter. Second. Yep, I'll hit enter, and then it's going to ask me for a new password, and I'm going to enter this password in, and it's going to ask me to do it again. And this process is exactly the same as if you were to type in an account name or a username after the pass WD, like I said earlier. So that is how you reset your password with on Kali Linux. Thank you for watching.